Thank you so much, Ricardo, for being here today with me.
Thank you,
I'm very
Patrick.
happy
Thanks
to
for
see you
inviting.
again. Yeah,
Thank you so much. Yeah.
of course. And yeah, I already know you, but maybe do you want to still give a quick introduction to yourself and what you do?
Yeah. So my name is Ricardo Burgos. In the space since more or less 2 years. Always in the Cardano environment and initiator of the European Town Hall together with the guys from Catalyst, Swarm, etc. And also founder of the Web3 user group, which is a registered nonprofit association here in Germany.
Nice. Sounds very good. And do you want to tell us a little bit more about your Catalyst proposal?
Yes, sure. Let me share my screen
Hmm.
and then we take it from there. So this is our proposal called the GPS Cardano Adventures. And basically, the concept is that we combine exercise, exploration in the real world, and collection of Cardano assets. And this is a combined effort of the Web3 user group, the nonprofit in Germany, of Cardano Beam, who has already delivered a couple of proposals from Catalyst to the community, and School of Gaming, a very interesting company located in Finland, which basically teaches and coaches kids in learning about Minecraft and other PC and Mac games. Yeah. All right. So our goal is to drive adoption of Cardano through this combination of gaming, exploration of the physical world, and getting rewarded and collecting NFTs. And important to know is that our goal is that the NFTs that are created are dynamically created based on inputs that result from the gaming part and from the exploration part. There will be a registration phase. In the registration phase, basically the participants can configure an own avatar, which also will be minted as an NFT, supported by NMaker, of course. And then the School of Gaming participants will have basically the start conditions for the gaming activities.
Mhm.
We will also make sure that this NFT is known to the Cardano Beam wallet. And this will be basically the way to identify the participant in the next phases. There will also be a link of the gaming profile by integration of the wallet. That's our goal. I will go to this slide first. This is describing that an adventure will consist of multiple levels, and one level will require multiple visits to what we call checkpoints. So checkpoints are geographically defined locations in the Cardano Beam app. And yeah, not at every checkpoint you will get an NFT, but going to the checkpoints will be the precondition to unlock the NFTs. And one NFT will basically close one level in the adventure. This is a schematic of one level. So the setting and the storytelling begins in the Minecraft environment. During this stage, you will get some hints of what you need to accomplish in the real world. So this number 2 you would complete in the physical world using Cardano Beam. Also, as mentioned, subdivided in multiple checkpoints. The goal is also to encourage physical activity, cycling, hiking, etc. And with the NFT that is then dynamically created, this enables the participants to go to the next level in the computer game. And so this cycle repeats a couple of times until one adventure is finalized. Additionally, what we want to create is a leaderboard where basically after or during the execution of the adventure, the participants can see and track basically how they are doing in comparison to the other participants. You will be able to see the distance traveled, time spent outside, number of checkpoints that you pass, the number of NFT collected. So the idea is to make it here sort of competitive as an additional motivation for the children to take part on the adventure. One thing that is worth mentioning is our proposal will also deliver a sort of template that will enable other projects, other cities, other towns to basically mimic what we did with our adventure, which is taking place in Espoo in Finland. and easily adapted to their own needs. That is basically our proposal in a nutshell.
That's a very good presentation, and I have to say you're probably so far the best prepared person to actually be here with me and talk about the proposals. So thank you for that. Sounds very good. So essentially, to put it into like one sentence, it's a game, and a physical game, like with actual location-based tasks. And the idea is to get people to come to Cardano by offering this game and by having a fun experience, and then kind of teaching them about crypto and NFTs in the meantime by just participating, right?
Exactly. And important is that School of Gaming has already around 3,000 children, which are actively being coached month by month. So they have a business to business model with the schools in Finland.
Mhm.
They are also in a business to consumer model with many other cities in the world. So with a paid subscription model. So this is the reason why we partnered with them, because they already have an outreach to a lot of people that are interested in technology as such. And the next level is to combine it with blockchain technology and increase the experience or enhance the experience by this combination of gaming plus exercise plus rewards.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So that's kind of how the three partners work together: the School of Gaming on the game side, Cardano Beam as like the technology platform to use it, and then you as the like facilitator of everything, right?
Exactly. Yeah. And Patrick, it's important also to mention that everything that we as the Web3 user group will get from the proposal will be channeled also to donations. So because
Mhm.
we're volunteering, but still we wanted to create a plan so that also other entities that want to create a simulation also get the data, how much effort it is, etc. So that's why also we put our efforts in the proposal in there with a symbolic, right, let's say, compensation model.
Okay, that's wonderful. Great. Then thank you so much for presenting, and I'm very excited for your proposal.
Thank you so much, Patrick. All the best and keep it up with NMKR. You're doing great things.
Thank you.